In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMS alerts on Coinbase. If you want instant text messages about important account events, security notices, price movements, or updates from Coinbase, this walkthrough will have you set up in just a couple of minutes. Start by signing in to your Coinbase account, either on the website or in the mobile app. Make sure you're using the official site or the official app and that you're on a secure, trusted internet connection. If you're on mobile, keeping the app updated helps notifications work reliably. Once you're signed in, open your account settings. On desktop, click your profile icon in the top corner and choose Settings. On mobile, tap your profile or menu icon and go to Settings. The wording may vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're looking for the main settings area where you manage your account preferences. Next, go to Notifications. On the web, you'll find Notifications in the left-hand menu. This page is where you decide what Coinbase should notify you about and how you want to receive those alerts. Quick note while we're here, I've put the official Coinbase website link and the app download link right at the top of the description, so you can access the correct place quickly and safely. Now choose the alert type you want to receive by text. Security alerts will notify you about sign-ins and changes to your security settings. Account activity covers things like transfers and purchases. Price alerts let you know when assets move by a certain amount, which is helpful if you're tracking volatility. Offers and announcements keep you in the loop on product updates and promotions. Pick the categories that matter most to you. To adjust the category, click Update on the right side of that alert type. This opens the notification methods for that category. Enable SMS as the notification method. You can keep push or email on as well if you want multiple ways to be notified. SMS is perfect for time-sensitive events you don't want to miss. If you're prompted to verify your phone number, add or confirm your number and complete the quick verification step. You'll typically receive a code by text. Enter it to confirm. Make sure it's a number you actively use, and remember that your carrier's messaging rates may apply. Finally, save your changes to apply the new settings. From now on, when the selected events occur, you'll get a text message right away, helping you stay on top of your account and market moves. If you ever want fewer notifications, just return to the same notifications page and adjust the categories or turn off SMS for specific alerts. Thanks for watching.